In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to fortify your cowries for protection. I have been receiving comments, I have been receiving questions on how to fortify cowries for protection. So that's why I'm making this video, to teach you how you can fortify your cowries for protection by yourself. Okay, I'm going to show you the items that you need to use, how you can do it, and you will use it for protection. Okay, anybody that is sending spiritual attack on you will not get to you. Any spiritual arrow they send to you will not get to you. Okay, so if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Please do want to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and I promise you, you're not going to regret. Okay, there are a lot of people out there who are under spiritual attack, who the enemies have been manipulating and tormenting their life. Okay, their relationship, their love life, their finances, their health. Okay, just because they don't know how to protect themselves. That is why the enemy was able to get to them. Okay, that's why I'm sharing this video to you, to let you know how you can use cowries to protect yourself. Okay, after doing this, you can wear the cowries on your wrist, you can wear it on your neck, you can wear it any part of your body that you feel like you want to wear it. Okay, for protection. Okay, you can as well wear it to sleep if you want to. Okay, you can wear it to bed if you want to. So I'm going to show you the materials that you need to use to carry out this spiritual assignment. Like I always tell people, that life is spiritual, and it is the spiritual realm that control the physical. Okay, a lot of things that you see happening physically have already gone through spiritual process. Okay, so what you need is cowries. So I'm going to show you cowries, original cowries, not fake one. Okay, you need to understand that there is fake cowries and original cowries. Okay, there is rubber cowries and there is original cowries. Okay, so you need to get original cowries. Okay, so this is original cowries. Okay, this is original cowries. I don't know if you can see this very well. Okay, this is original cowrie. You can get any quantity that you want depending on what you want to use it for. If you want to wear it on your neck, you can get enough quantity. If you want to wear it on your wrist, you can get enough quantity as well. Okay, so you need to get cowries, original cowries. Okay, and the next thing that you should get is stop evil salt. This is a spiritual salt. Okay, you need to get this type of salt, stop evil salt, and you need to get your Bintu Sudan oil. Okay, your Bintu Sudan oil. This is a powerful spiritual oil to stop any attack. Okay, you need to get this. Okay, these are the three things: cowries, stop evil salt, and Bintu Sudan. Now, how do you do this? You are going to bury this cowrie, the quantity of cowries that you have gotten. You are going to bury it on the ground at midnight, by 12 o'clock at midnight. Okay, that is when you are going to bury it. Okay, the cowries, you bury it at the midnight under the ground. Then you take this stop evil salt, sprinkle it on top of the cowries. Okay, and as well open the Bintu Sudan oil and sprinkle it on top of them as well. Okay, now when you sprinkle it on top of them, you are going to say your mind, you are going to say your intention, the purpose, the reason why you are doing that, what you want to use it for. Okay, so that the universe will know, the reason why you are doing that. Okay, then after saying your mind, after saying your intention, then you can use the sand and cover it. You can as well bury it on your flower pot. If you are living in a flood environment, you can get a flower pot and bury it there. It will work as well once it has contact with the sand. Okay, nobody born of a woman that walks on the floor, that the legs touches on the ground, can be able to harm you if you can do this. Okay, so after burying the cowries on the ground, you are going to leave it for 4 days. So you are going to be counting the days. Okay, you're going to be counting the days. You leave it there for 4 days. Once it's up to 4 days, you go there and bring it out. Okay, you bring the cowries, only the cowries. Okay, you bring the cowries out. Okay, now you can use it to make either wristband or something you wear on your neck or any part of your body. You can as well be keeping it inside your pocket, or you keep it anywhere you want to keep it. Okay, once you have this with you, anybody that is sending spiritual arrow, anybody that is sending spiritual attack from your village, from your place of work, from your colleagues, anybody at all that is sending any spiritual arrow to you will not get to you. Okay, this will protect you from anything that had to do with spiritual attack. This is how you can fortify your cowries for protection. For those that have been asking this question, how to do it, okay, just do this assignment and you'll be protected from anything that has to do with spiritual attack using cowries. Okay, you can as well be keeping the cowries inside your car if you drive a car. Okay, it will protect you from any form of spiritual accident, because sometimes your enemy can send accident to you. You know, when you have this in your car, it's going to avoid the accident, it's going to protect you from accident. Okay, so make sure that you do this assignment if you really want to use cowries to protect yourself, okay, from your village people. Okay, my name is Gideon. Like I said before, I do share spiritual tips in this channel, so do well to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys today. If you have any question you want to ask regarding this teaching today, you can use comment section. You are free to ask your question. Okay, use the comment section, and by the special grace of God, I'm going to reply you. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, if you have any serious issue or case that you want me to help you in assisting, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, and if you want to order any of my spiritual products as well, chat me up on WhatsApp so that I'll make it available for you. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys. For those that have been asking, how do I fortify my cowrie for spiritual protection? Do this assignment and you see that your cowries will be powerful to protect you from any spiritual attack. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.